Do you ever feel like your home is running out of space, no matter how much you clean? In today's video, I'm sharing smart storage and organization finds that fix real-life problems and actually look good doing it. These are practical, space-saving solutions you'll want in every room. I've put all the links in the description for you so you can grab them easily. Let's get started. Underbed rolling storage. If clutter keeps sneaking into your bedroom, underbed storage containers are the hidden solution you didn't know you needed. These stackable underbed rolling storage bins are made from clear plastic, so you can see everything at a glance. Each container comes with smooth wheels, sturdy lids, and a large 11.5-gallon capacity for clothes, shoes, or seasonal items. The low-profile design slides easily under most beds without lifting or struggling. Using underbed storage containers frees up closet space instantly and keeps dust away. These rolling storage bins are perfect for small bedrooms, apartments, and anyone who wants a cleaner look without bulky furniture taking over their room. Narrow shoe storage cabinet. If shoes are taking over your entryway, this shoe cabinet for entryway is a lifesaver. Designed as a narrow shoe storage cabinet, it fits perfectly in tight spaces while holding more than you expect. The 3 flip drawers hide shoes neatly, keeping your hallway clean and clutter-free. Made from durable wood, it blends style with function and doesn't look like typical shoe storage. This freestanding shoe organizer works great in apartments, bedrooms, or hallways where space is limited. A shoe cabinet like this keeps footwear organized, reduces mess, and instantly upgrades your entryway into a calm, welcoming space guests will actually notice. Adjustable spice rack organizer. Digging through messy cabinets while cooking is frustrating, and that's where this spice rack organizer shines. This adjustable spice rack holds up to 24 bottles and pulls down smoothly for easy access. It fits neatly inside kitchen cabinets or pantry spaces and includes 104 labels to keep everything clearly marked. The adjustable design lets you customize spacing for different seasoning sizes. Using a spice organizer like this saves time, reduces duplicate purchases, and makes cooking more enjoyable. A pull-down spice rack turns chaotic cabinets into a clean, functional setup and keeps your favorite spices right where you need them every single day. Storage Ottoman Set. If you want furniture that does more than one job, this storage Ottoman set is a smart choice. These round ottomans feature soft Sherpa fabric with hidden storage inside for blankets, makeup, or everyday items. They work as seating, vanity stools, or footrests while quietly storing clutter. The compact design fits beautifully in living rooms, bedrooms, or dining spaces. Using a storage ottoman helps reduce visible mess without adding extra furniture. This multifunctional furniture piece is perfect for small homes, cozy corners, and anyone who loves stylish storage that blends comfort with practicality. Over-toilet cabinet. Bathrooms often lack storage, and this over-the-toilet cabinet fixes that instantly. Designed as a bathroom wall cabinet, it uses vertical space without crowding the room. It features 2 doors and adjustable shelves to store toiletries, towels, and essentials neatly. Using an over-toilet storage cabinet helps maximize unused space while keeping items off the sink. This bathroom storage solution is ideal for small bathrooms, apartments, and anyone tired of cluttered counters and overflowing cabinets. Clear handbag organizer. If your handbags are stuffed into closets and losing their shape, this clear handbag storage organizer is the upgrade you need. These acrylic display cases keep purses visible, protected, and perfectly stacked. Each organizer opens easily and fits into standard closet systems. The clear design makes it simple to grab the right bag without digging. Using a purse organizer helps preserve bag structure and keeps your closet looking clean and high-end. These closet organizers are ideal for handbags, collectibles, or accessories and turn messy shelves into a clean, boutique-style display. Wooden underbed organizer. If plastic bins aren't your style, this wooden underbed storage organizer adds function with a premium look. Designed with wheels and large capacity drawers, it slides smoothly under beds or sofas. The included dust bags keep clothes clean and protected. This rolling underbed storage solution is stackable and built for long-term use. Using wooden underbed organizers helps maximize hidden space while maintaining a warm, organized aesthetic. It's perfect for clothing, bedding, or seasonal storage, and works especially well in modern or minimalist bedrooms. Multifunctional coffee table. Living rooms need smart furniture, and this multifunctional coffee table delivers. It features hidden storage compartments, 2 drawers, and an extendable sliding top. The high-gloss finish adds a modern touch while keeping clutter out of sight. This storage coffee table is perfect for remotes, books, and everyday essentials. Using a coffee table with hidden storage keeps your living space clean and functional without sacrificing style. It's an excellent choice for small apartments or anyone who wants furniture that works harder while still looking sleek and modern. Woven storage basket. Sometimes storage should look decorative, and this woven storage basket does exactly that. Made from durable rope with wooden bead accents, it blends perfectly into modern home decor. It's ideal for storing blankets, toys, clothes, or even plants. The sturdy handles make it easy to move between rooms. Using decorative storage baskets helps reduce clutter while adding texture and warmth to your space. This basket works beautifully in living rooms, bedrooms, or nurseries and proves that organization can be stylish, simple, and practical. Soda can organizer. Messy refrigerators waste space, and this soda can organizer fixes that fast. Designed as a stackable fridge organizer, it holds up to 12 cans and dispenses them smoothly. The clear design lets you see what's inside without opening everything. Using a soda can dispenser keeps drinks organized and prevents cans from rolling around. This refrigerator organizer is perfect for soda, sparkling water, or energy drinks. It's an easy upgrade that instantly makes your fridge look cleaner and more efficient. Ladder shelf bookcase. If you need storage without bulky furniture, this ladder shelf bookcase is a great option. The 4-tier design offers space for books, decor, plants, or kitchen items. Built with a steel frame and rustic wood finish, it adds an industrial-style touch to any room. This ladder shelf works well in living rooms, bedrooms, offices, or kitchens. Using open shelving helps keep spaces feeling light while still adding storage. It's a practical and stylish solution for organizing vertically. Under-sink organizer. Cabinets get messy fast, and this under-sink organizer brings instant order. The 2-tier pull-out design makes it easy to access items without digging. Made from clear plastic, you can see everything at a glance. These under-sink storage drawers work well in bathrooms, kitchens, or pantries. Using cabinet organizers like this maximizes vertical space and reduces clutter. It's perfect for cleaning supplies, toiletries, or pantry items, and makes everyday storage simple and stress-free. Wall toothbrush holder. Crowded bathroom counters are annoying, and this wall-mounted toothbrush holder clears space instantly. Designed for electric toothbrushes, it mounts easily with strong, self-adhesive backing. No drilling required. This bathroom toothbrush organizer keeps brushes clean, dry, and off the sink. Using wall storage helps improve hygiene and organization. It's ideal for small bathrooms, shared spaces, or anyone who wants a cleaner countertop with minimal effort. Adhesive shower caddy. Shower clutter builds up fast, and this adhesive shower caddy solves it without tools. These no-drilling shower shelves stick securely and hold shampoo, soap, and accessories. Built-in hooks add extra hanging space. Using a shower organizer keeps everything within reach and off the floor. These shower racks work in bathrooms or kitchens and are perfect for renters. It's an easy, damage-free way to add storage exactly where you need it. Wall-mounted towel rack. If towels pile up or never dry properly, this wall-mounted towel rack is the answer. Designed to hold up to 6 large rolled towels, it includes a shelf for extra storage. The 30-inch design saves space while keeping towels organized and accessible. Using a bathroom towel storage rack keeps your space neat and spa-like. It's ideal for small bathrooms, guest baths, or families who need efficient towel organization.